peanuts are delicious.
Yeah, everybody loves peanuts. Oh, squirrel! For your breakfast, squirrel!
Ptolemy, hey Ptolemy, hey! Oh, you're a raccoon. What are you doing here?
It's just me.
Oh, it's Ptolemy.
It's just a mask!
Oh, it's just a mascot.
Do you want to make a snowman? Peanut snowman?
A peanut snowman? That sounds delicious.
Let's do it, squirrel! Stirring. I love the stir.
Wow, we're gonna make squirrel food. That's so cool.
It's all stirred up. Let's add the flour, Mr. Squirrel. Mixing all day long. Mix. I love to mix the flour.
Is that it?
No, we're gonna add some corn syrup.
Okay. I love corn syrup. Yummy, 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 yummy.
And corn syrup. Mixing the corn syrup with the flour and water. I'm a witch. It's whisk time. Woohoo! Whisk it away. Whisk it away! I'm whisking away. We're gonna add the peanuts. It tastes peanut buttery. Since squirrels love peanuts, Mr. Squirrel will be so happy.
Yes, I will. Peanuts are delicious.
Yeah, everybody loves peanuts. Yummy in my tummy. Whoa, making the peanuts. And more. Maybe we can just put all peanuts. Whoa, that's a lot of peanuts. Yeah, it does taste like so delicious. Mixing is so much fun. Oh, I think it's ready. Let's spray the snowman. And how am I gonna go? 6, 2, 4, and 5.
Gotta wait to eat the nuts. Gotta dry.
Let's open it up and see what's inside.
Oh, I bet it's yummy. Is it yummy?
I bet there's nuts inside.
Oh, I know that. I'm so hungry.
Oh, squirrel!
Let me see. Open the other side so I can see.
Look!
Wow, that's so cool. It's so yummy.
Yeah. You can have them breakfast.
Okay, let's eat it for breakfast.
For your breakfast, squirrel! Oh, it looks so yummy. Come on, squirrels and birds. Let's eat.
That's really, really yummy.
Where's the squirrel brother? Oh, he's down there. Well, look, your brother eating.